I've seen thousands and thousands of moms and dads who are in your same situation, and that's the whole reason these resources exist. So,
well, I wish there were millions and millions of people who are watching right now. And, I just want to do everything I can to shout to the rooftops that, you have something that will help people. Like, I can't believe I got 8.5 years into having children with speech delays before someone through a screen sat down and told me what I needed to do to help them. And it worked almost immediately.
Followed the entire steps. So first thing is I stopped prompting. I was prompting and I stopped it. I replaced it with talking to him using the right words at the right time.
Within a month, I start to noticing something which is called joint attention. That's very, very obvious. And he would look at something, he would look at an object and looking back at me and looking back at object and pointing at that. Just, this sort of shifting between an object and a person and sharing experience and not just to request something.
Your help, it's given me the ability to now think about how I'm going to speak with Mason, and so he does understand what I'm saying, and he does, know, because he's very smart, and he knows everything we're saying, as long as it's got the proper explanation that goes with it.
yeah. A data person, so it held a mirror to my face as to what I was doing and what we were doing. It really showed how my mindset affected the connection and how connection was truly the driver of him opening up. I'm a data.
What keeps parents back is the lack of confidence and the stress that accompanies being the mother of or the parent or caregiver of a late talker. And when you're confident that this is something that works, I think that's all there is to it. There's nothing more to it. And I feel, I understand the meaning of equipped and empowered. And I'm just waiting for her to go so that I can start trying by myself.
Start having fun with it, that's really where it becomes fun, and you see the progress, and then every little bit of progress you would see would be motivating, and it just gets funner and funner, and now I look forward to it every day.